Severe weather continues to pound California, causing rock slides, sinkholes, and flooding across the northern part of the state.
Cornell Bernard is moving across the area, hearing from the local people on how this is a storm they will never forget.
Check out new video of a waterlogged Russian River Valley shot from Sonoma 1, the county fire district's chopper. Saturday's reconnaissance mission showed swollen creeks and lagoons, which normally take overflow from the Russian River, now reaching the top of their banks. We were there when Fire Chief Mark Hine landed after surveying the rising water, and with more storms on the way, his impressions were sobering.
I think the flooding we're going to see is going to reach disaster proportions as far as it getting into businesses and residences and cutting off access roads.
Many folks in Guerneville have been getting ready this week for flooding and possible evacuations, stacking sandbags around shops and homes.
Right now we don't have power. We haven't had power since Wednesday afternoon.
Daniel Falcon Schneider lives in Cazadero, where toppled trees are everywhere.
What did Kaz Highway look like Thursday morning?
Like a tornado went through. You couldn't see the asphalt, it was just branches. And
he worries floodwater from the river could leave him stranded.
Biggest fear for me is just being stuck on that side of Guerneville, so the west side.
It's not just the Russian River first responders are concerned about. They're also watching Santa Rosa Creek, which is prone to flooding, and firefighters are getting ready for the possibility of water rescues. Swiftwater rescue teams like this one from the Santa Rosa Fire Department are doing last-minute training, ready to respond to emergencies in real time.
They've been busy, not only training but also pre-surveying a lot of our creeks, streams, finding issues, potential problem spots, just so that we're doing everything we can to be prepared.
Firefighters urge folks living near creeks and rivers to be ready to leave their homes if water starts to rise.
Have a plan B and a go bag packed. Where are you going to go? How are you going to connect with your family? And how will you communicate or deal with the situation, especially if it's at night and if you lose power?